Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today. So this is another video in the series of killing zeros. I'm actually very determined that we're gonna kill zeros. Have patience, guys. Have patience. We have 15 months for the next bull run. There's a lot of time. We're gonna get the zero, right? I can actually tell you, just jump on the Atom Coins bandwagon by subscribing and follow me through the journey of killing the zero and witness within the next 15 months. I'm just giving you a rough estimate. Within 15 months, I'm killing the zero. I could even kill 2 zeros actually, right? If it makes you happy, 3 zeros. But actually, one is pretty much there. I'll try to even kill the second one. Thing is, crypto has been boring, of course, but what can I say? SHIB has been down for a very long time. For at least once in life, we saw SHIB doing something that really made us happy a little bit, and ever since then it has been on the sideways. But at least it's here, right? It's not down here anymore. At least there is improvement. And when you zoom out, you look at the weekly, you've been going up, you came down, bear market, break the downtrend, move sideways, continue, and start to make a new upper trend. So how long does this consolidate? I don't know. But still, things are pretty good, because even though you're coming down and whatnot and this and that, look, you're still above the 10 and the 20, and you're still holding above the 10 and the 20. Okay, this is for the first time you broke above, you came for the retest, and you're closing above the 10 and the 20. Pretty accurate. Okay, the worst you can do is just go down to the 55 and then go back up. That's still okay, right? On a higher level, on a bird's view, still okay. I always talk about bird view. Just zoom out, be a bird, fly up here, look down what's going on, and have an estimate. Because when you look up as a bird, you'll understand the lower time frame as 15 minutes, that this don't really matter. They're just going to be noise. 15 minutes are just noise and all this and that. I don't like 15 minutes, but if it does help, we can actually switch to the 1 hour time frame and talk about actually, let's go to the 4 hour time frame instead of the 1 hour. So in the 4 hour time frame here, I do notice that SHIB is in accumulation. Basically, whatever is happening is accumulation. It's not a bad thing going on. So how do I know this is accumulation? Basically, there's a mini cycle going on in here. Like on the weekly, this is a bigger version. On the 4 hour, that's a small version. When you pumped up, you came down, accumulation, and then you pumped up, right? That's not any different as to what is happening right over here. This is still the very same thing. A pump up, come down, accumulation, and a nice good pump coming up in the future. And you can also see that you have a bullish divergence appearing just a little bit as well. Okay, I do notice that Bitcoin has some little bit of bullish divergence. I don't see a clear one on SHIB other than this right over here. Okay, so you do have lower lows. I'm just going to take the mark here, lower lows right there, and you're moving up on the RSI. So this is still a good positive sign. It's a good, nice plus sign. So hopefully at some point, this is almost like a spring in accumulation phase. So this is good, very good. From here, hopefully we start to go up, we break above this, make some new move to the upside. Hopefully the script actually says that June is really meant to be green. Okay, today is almost 14, but you still have plenty of days to close June, so we're still not done with the story yet. And the reason why I say the script says that June is going to be green is because if you look at the monthly time frame, the monthly actually has bullish candle, not a bearish candle. So you're making the red here and you made the green right over there. That means when you combine these two, it's called as bullish harami candles, right? This, based on the script, tells you that the next candle, unless you do not come down below 1825, okay, so this is invalidation. Did it happen? No. Okay, so the worst is that you go 1 to 1825, that's going to be wrong. But as long as you're not doing that, the script says even this is red, you're given that you're going to go up. But still, based on these two, the next candle is meant to be green and start to push to the upside. So how many days do you have to close the monthly? 16 days. So in 16 days, a lot can happen. In just one day, in only one day, or in 1 week, you can actually even see SHIB moving up 58%. You may even actually see it move 100%, right? In just 1 day or even in 2 days. So it's almost similar as if I could tell you that, hey, you know what? This candle is about to happen. It can happen, right? This happened under 1 month, if you get the idea. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.